Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Diskpart data error cyclic redundancy check. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type chkdsk/r /c:. Exit and restart system. Second method is type disk cleanup in Windows search bar, click disk cleanup. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type rescan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.